Hey, TriMech clients, we're back here on the floor of the Partner Pavilion at SOLIDWORKS World 2018 in LA, and we're here with Bruno from SWOOD, and we wanted to just pick his brain. What do you think about the conference so far?
Oh, everything is very exciting here. Like every time in the SOLIDWORKS World, it's our seventh time actually. So we are very happy to be here again in LA, and yeah, everything is pretty cool.
Excellent, excellent. So, what's coming next in your software? Could you tell us a little bit about what the software does? Give us a little idea.
Yeah, sure. Our software are dedicated to woodworking area, so we got everything inside SolidWorks to be able to design your project and manufacture it very quickly. And in the next release, we will go more and more automatically on the panel processing, so which is our force, all the panel management for the grain directions, the laminating process, the edge bending process, and we have also on the CAM side also automatic drilling, the technology for the machines very specific to woodworking are natively inside, and we'll go more and more inside that to automation of the panel.
Hey, wow, that's awesome. So, I mean, TriMech clients, we have some clients that are in this space. Obviously, I think they'll be excited. Of all the other stuff that you've seen at the Partner Pavilion, what are some other things that you found really exciting?
I think the AR VR is really what we see now, and very very interesting. So it's something I'm sure most of our customers will be interesting soon, and so let's see what's happening in the next future on that with our products.
Absolutely. Well, appreciate the time. Thank you, Bruno. And yeah, best of luck. Enjoy the show.